Hello friends, welcome to Arshad Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see that Coforge to acquire controlling stake in SLK Global Solutions for 9.2 billions. So friends, they are initially acquired 60% stake in SLK Global, but SLK Global founders completely existing. So the fifth third bank stake in the company will be reduced to 40% and shall continue at that level for the next 2 years. So friends, with this, the Coforge company having a good artificial intelligence background, so we can look a view on this company and the entry positions of the company also. So friends, it is SLK Global Solutions having a business process management and digital solutions to financial service industry. So in my view, both are a medium and a constant returns giving companies businesses. What this one, business processing management is a constantly growing revenue vertical, and digital solution to the financial service is a exponentially increasing vertical, friends, going forward. These two are very good, but uh, the company taken it as a negative and the share fall nearly 8% today. So friends, I am expecting its 52-week high is 3,150, but the share now trading at 2,864. But friends, it is having support at 2,700. So if the stock falls below 2,800, then we go for purchasing is a good thing in my view. So it is an IT company, so we can expect there is a no much fear about these type of companies. And friends, see here, already it's having 60% in SLK Global, and Coforge will acquire an additional 20% from fifth third bank after completion of 2 years. So up to 2 years the bank will kept that 20% with them, and after that it will give to what you call this Coforge. So this is the latest news which we got recently, and SLK Global reported consolidated revenue of 62 millions during financial year 20, and the business has registered a 3-year revenue CSGR of over 17%. So this is also looking good revenue generating company. But friends, analysts predicted that it is overvalued by the company, that's why it is falling, I think. Recently one of the stock Wipro also, Wipro Wipro, I think it acquired a company, but the share falls next day. So likewise today also it the company 8% down. But friends, I am expecting, I didn't think much it will go below 8,000 2,800, but near 2,800 also looking too good. So friends, this is my view, and we can expect a strong synthesis to generate through its transaction. What it's saying, it has a strong strengths in North America financial service industry, and improving dollar also gives a good thing for IT industries. That is also one thing we have to notice. And friends, with this the company is going to more effectively in major BPO and BPM operations, and it can provide digital services for financial bodies. These things are looking great. And friends, if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.